Hello everyone and welcome to smartcode. I recently did a tutorial on CSS class selectors and explained how do we write and apply classes to HTML elements and how do we write CSS class selectors. Now in this tutorial I am going to show you how to apply multiple classes to the same tag. It's a very common approach, and by applying multiple classes to the same tag you can actually achieve some good styling effects. Let's take a look at the diagram on the screen. We have three buttons, and these buttons share some similarities, such as they have rounded corners, same font, same size, same border, and same padding. But they also have their unique looks, like add button is green, edit button is gray, and the delete button is red. So this designing effect you can easily achieve by applying two classes to the same tag. So let's now check it out. How do we work with the multiple classes? We need to set up some HTML first. So just take a div container and inside the container create three buttons. Okay, so now we have some HTML and this code is gonna generate three buttons. Let's now apply multiple classes to each button. As you know, we use class attribute for adding the classes, and now in the double quotes we will create two classes. Every class name is separated by a space. So applying multiple classes is not so difficult, right? Now the class btn is same to all of the buttons, and just by using this class you can apply combined effects to all the buttons, and then every button has its unique class, and just by targeting these unique classes we can create unique appearance for each button, right? Let's now go inside the CSS file, create class selectors, and then apply some CSS properties. Now first I'm going to target the div container and will apply text align center property, and this property is going to align the buttons to the center of the page. Now for applying the same design to all the buttons, all I need to do is just target the btn class and apply the design properties. So let's target the btn class using btn class selector, and here we will write style properties which are common to each button. Now in the browser you will see the consistency, right? Our buttons are exactly the same. So our BTN selector applied nicely, right? Now for creating the unique looks, we are going to target add, edit, and del class, and we'll assign different background colors to the buttons. That's it. Now render the page and check the result, and there you see we have three nice buttons, and we got the result by using two different classes. Now this approach is very useful, and it will let you make changes to several elements at once. For instance, if I don't want rounded corners, then I will just update btn selector, and it's going to change the look of each of the buttons. So in this tutorial you learn how to write and handle multiple classes, and I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching.